Hey, good evening, Facebook friends and family. This is Daniel Ramos coming live to you from Tribeca, where we're currently working on a DC nanogrid project and lighting solution for a couple here in, like I said, in Soho. And, I've been hitting you guys a lot lately with what this LumenCache system is and what DC nanogrids are. And I've actually heard from a bunch of saying, all right, well, Dan, that's kind of cool, but what the hell does it look like? Well, you know what? Let's go on in, let's take a look, and I'll show you. All right? So here, let's take a walk on in, and I'll show you right now. So, as you can see, it's kind of dark in here, but let's take care of that right now. All right? So, as part of this DC nanogrid solution, we're able to provide lighting solution over category 5 cable. As you can see, it's nice and bright in here. And the beauty of this is these lights are being controlled by cable like this. They're powered and controlled all over a single Cat 5 cable. And really gives you lights, it gives you dimming, it gives you a lot of different interesting effects, which is really kind of cool. So, people like big deal. I can get LED lights now on my home system. Problem with the LED light bulbs that are out there right now are they have these drivers, they have these DC to AC converters, and when they are on constantly, they overheat, they burn out, you don't get the longevity that you're supposed to get. Right here we have the kitchen, and I just want to kind of show you how it's nice and bright in here. These lights are amazing. Again, this is a DC nanogrid, and I'll show you what that really means. But as you can see, we also have some what look like regular standard 110 volt fixtures, but the beauty of these are being powered by a DC nanogrid low voltage solution. I'll show you in a second what the bulbs look like, just kind of give you an idea. Now these are considered Edison style light bulbs. What that means is it shows the filament, and people seem to like that. Now if you were doing this in a standard 110 system, it would look similar to this bulb here. The funny thing about this is that this bulb is an Edison style bulb, and this is truly 100% LED. Here's the box here, just so you can see I'm not yanking your chain or doing anything like that. This bulb here alone has about a 30,000 hour life expectancy. The beauty of this is this will really last a long time, and it's very effective. Now, the lights that you see in the hallway in the living room are similar to a light like this. Nice and bright, as you can see. But the beauty of that is they're really thin. Super thin, very bright, very powerful. This light alone is a 12-watt light that puts out about 3,500 Kelvin in light. So it's not ultra bright. It's a softer white, but it's still very effective. So let's move on. Other parts of the system, we were able to turn around and incorporate low-end lighting on the edges so that people, when they walk in or walk out, they don't have to worry about waking the kids up or what have you, and still provide great and fantastic light. The hallway light is powered in here as well. And as I've been saying, this is a DC nanogrid, so what it looks something like this. You've got your power distribution modules, powering Cat 5 cable and providing control and connectivity as well as light output. The nice thing about this is all low voltage. So when all these lights are fully on, this system will probably use about 360 watts total. Another nice thing about this is it's powered through a DC to AC converter, and in this panel here there's a battery. I don't know if you can see it on the side, and this is the actual connection for the system. So if I pull this out, it's running on battery power, so it's got built-in battery backup so that the lights don't go out, so that if you lose power in a storm, you don't lose your lights, which is a really good thing. Let's move on. Again, I want to show you a couple things here in the apartment, which is really nice. We can provide lighting control for the lights. We can make them brighter, we can make them dimmer. Whatever's needed. And they have lots of different lights and what have you. You notice like this bathroom light here over the shower, this is actually water sealed, so we don't have to worry about water getting in or worrying about anything penetrating through that. So it's nice and sealed. It's got a nice round rubber gasket. Provides a good quality seal. So the other things that we can do with the system is we can also power LED strip lighting, which is really nice. And it kind of gives you opportunities to do different things in different rooms, depending on what you're looking for. You know, so it's nice. And in here, I don't know if you noticed on the ceiling, but there are LED lights as well. We have some good control here, so we can actually turn around and power those up. You know, need more light, not a problem. Just double tap it and you get full power. Another good nice thing about this here is we're in the master bathroom now. You know, as you can see, it's nice and bright. And again, you see the light on the shower over there. You can turn that on separate. And that's, again, sealed from water. And we can also power, you know, a house fan to be able to vent out noxious fumes, we'll just say. So, I want to take this opportunity to say, you know, to those of you who tuned in and took a look, thank you, Jackie. I appreciate the thumbs up and the nice. My name is Daniel Ramos. I'm from Intelligent Automation. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to give me a call. The number is 888-711-4521, or email me at sales@Intellimation. That's INTELAMATION.com. Thanks. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care, guys.